Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this car. It looks good normally, but the top part is a bit worrying a bit. But I have found a way to make it transparent so it's actually a part. So if I go and click edit selection appearance, at this part it's transparency. So if I put it here, it's 88 transparency. If I put it here, it's 100. So for this video, I will put it like this. It looks a bit orangey, doesn't it? So first thing I'm going to show you how to make is the wheel. So I'm going to click sketch, click this, I'm going to click make a circle, not the origin. There. You're not supposed to make it that big because I'm sure a wheel is not that big. I'm going to make it small so you can edit it easier. Actually, yeah, it's easier to edit it when it's small. Now, you can create anything you actually want. I'm going to create something like this. But I'm going to create it going here, coming out here. I'm doing the same thing to make it look good, but so far that does not look good. I need to move it down a bit. Oh no. Control plus C, Control plus C, Control plus C. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do that. And now I'm going to keep doing that. Now I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to make it like simple. It's pretty hard to actually. Like, if you wanted to make it perfect, yeah, it's gonna take a long time. But this is basically how you make the wheels. But you need to do something very important. It's more important than the whole wheel. Cut off the edges. You can't make an extrude without it. Now, just do an extrude and your car will turn out amazingly. It does this sometimes. So if you do, this is a perfect time to do something. So let me just move my car right around. Car, I don't need you now. I might need you later, but okay. Good. If you do see something where it's happening like there's nothing in the middle, then I recommend you like reload the software. But since I'm not doing anything that big, yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna have to cancel my sketch. Right click. Why aren't I right clicking? Now can I right click? Delete. Let's go. Next one. Oh, let's make the wheels. I mean the steering wheel, not the wheel. The steering wheel this time. As you can see, you probably got it really easily. Just this, and I'm going to use a center point rectangle because you can make a square much easier with a center point than a corner point. But here's something to note. You're probably wondering how I got it to like do the thing. So if you did no, then yeah, congratulations. But if you didn't, not congratulations. So front, right, top. My top plane. Where's my top plane? Oh, my top plane. So basically this is easy. It's actually easier than you think it is. You're probably thinking like it's really hard. You have to do this and that and that. It takes 3 steps. Draw your box. Make a sketch. You can draw. You can use anything besides. But I use a box. Make your sketch. And click this little button next to fillet. Chamfer. Just making a big edge. Now just put it to 1 inch. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the easiest thing yet. View normal to sketch plane. Why does this always happen to me? Bro, this is going upside down. So now I am doing this. This is the worst rectangle on earth. I mean, circle. Now I am making this there. And if you probably were that big, yeah, it doesn't even fit on the thing. But you can make it smaller. You have to make it much smaller. But that's basically how you make it. So, bye-bye. This thing. Why aren't you getting in the bin? And you too. Can you get in the bin? I don't need you now. So, you probably know how to make a C. If you don't, why don't you? But, I'm gonna delete sketch 19 too. But this is pretty easy. You can tell by the way I did it, it's easier than ever. This should be bigger. I don't know who would manage to sit on it, but someone might. So just extrude it. I don't really care how tall it is. I don't really care because I'm not actually making a car. If I did care, I would go like full on. Where are my sketches going? Don't always sketch. I need you. Why are you center pointing? No, I forgot to remove the center point. Don't like center points now. Just use a corner rectangle this time. Many beginners use a center point. It's annoying when you use a center point, so just use a corner point. A center point is useful sometimes. And there. Yeah, the seat. So I've made my very big seat. So let's just remove the sketch for it. And immediately I'll see a orange and all of these. Am I supposed to? Yes, I am supposed to. So this car is very heavily reliant on one thing. Sketches. In fact, in OnShape, you cannot make a design without a sketch. So yeah, I think you got that by now. Because, yeah. So now, I'm going to try hide my plane 4. Plane 4. Where's plane 4? Ah, there's plane 4. Hide. That looks much better. For now. Next thing I'm going to show you is the bottom part. The battery, as I call it. It does not look like a battery. Let's make the battery, I guess, then. No, it does not look like a battery. But this is how to make the battery. And there. And there. And I'm doing it again. And I'm doing it again. And I'm going to extrude it. This is definitely not in proportion, but this is basically how I made the battery. It looked better than most people's batteries, but that's not how you make a battery, sadly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a window. So if you want to make a window, there are 2 easy ways. The first one, let me just draw my car. I'll say this is my car. And then I just drew a hole in here. But that can be very inconvenient sometimes. So now I'm going to kill all these things. Next is a bit more like, oh no, why am I doing a sketch on a sketch? A bit more, better way of doing it. So if you only want to cut a bit of this, there's a simpler way. You just draw your sketch, draw that, and now I'm going to click extrude, remove, and boom. So if I only wanted to cut this much, done. Easy. So that's the 2 easy ways to do it. So that's basically all the fundamentals you need to know to make a car. The steering wheel, all of this, that's just extra doodles to make it look better. But I think I've told you how you can move a plane. If I haven't, please tell me in the comments. If I haven't, I will immediately reply. So this is how you make a basic car, and you can move planes, and you can make these little car designs. I will have the link for this design in the description. It's all of your designs in OnShape are public. I don't know how to make it private, but I think all of your designs are public. So yeah, if I'll put this link in the description so you can analyze the model and like delete stuff and you can edit stuff. But bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.